friends, welcome to Cbse World.
Today let's see the second part of chapter 5. Weaving patterns. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt and they saw many carpets, that is rugs, in the market. Wow, so many colors. So many shapes, circle, triangles, see the patterns. Which geometrical shapes can you identify in these borders? Draw them in your book. What are the shapes you can see on the borders of these rugs? You can see circle, a square, hexagon, right? Concentric circles we can see. These all things write in your notebook. Square, concentric circles, hexagons, arcs, parallelogram are some of the shapes that we can see in these borders. Is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which ones? Is there any particular shapes repeating? Yes, sure. In all these rugs, there is a repetition of all the shapes. For example, in this one, there is a repetition of hexagons in the first row. In the second row, there is a repetition of circles, concentric circles. And likewise, there is a repetition of the shapes. Are the shapes made of curved lines? Yes. Some shapes are made of curved lines. Straight lines? Yes. Both curved and straight lines? Yes. They are made up of both curved and straight lines. Some shapes are made up of curved lines, some are made up of straight lines, and some made up of both curved and straight lines. Did you get it?
Yes.
Look at your clothes, your mother's sari, shawl, rugs and mats. Can you identify some patterns? Draw them in your notebook. If you look at your clothes or your mother's clothes, sari, shawl, or carpets or mats, rugs, you can see a particular pattern. Identify such patterns and draw it in your notebook. Floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has designs? Have you seen it?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. See, we all have seen such a floor, right? Do you know how it is made? It is made up of small tiles, and these tiles are packed together without any gap, and thus this floor pattern is made. See, this is a two small tiles and see how they are fitting each other. One tile will come and exactly fit on the another one, so that there won't be any gap in between. Now look at this tile with 6 sides. See how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gaps. See, 6 sides means it's a hexagon. And the second figure shows how these hexagons are arranged to cover the floor. How is it? Is there any gap in between?
No.
Yes. Among the following, can you match the tiles with designs that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. See, in the middle there are single tiles are given. We have to match it with the designs that they make on the floor. With which tile, which design can be made? That we have to find out. Let's match it. Complete the following tiling pattern. First we have to fill the design like this and then color like this. Complete this pattern. Compare it with the pattern on page 70 which also uses 6-sided shapes. What is the difference between the two? First we have to complete this pattern and we have to compare it with the pattern on page number 70. This is the pattern given on this page number 70. See here both 6-sided shapes, that means hexagons are used. But what is the difference? In page number 70, all hexagons are placed together. But here, near one hexagon, they are placing some triangles also. See here, around one hexagon, there are 6 triangles. And this is how this pattern is drawn. Hope so now you understood what is the difference between these two patterns. Khushboo and Hariz live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. Khushboo and Hariz lived in Agra. So they went to see Taj Mahal one day and the floor patterns of Taj Mahal is like this. And see what Khushboo is saying. She is saying, I can see 2 different tiles in this pattern. See, she was telling, I can see 2 different patterns of tiles. But Hariz is telling, I think only one type of tile has been used. He is telling, no, I think so there is only one type of tiles. What do you think? What do you think?
I think it's one because they are the same patterns, one vertically and one horizontally.
Yeah, might be the same tiles. They have arranged one in vertical way and another tile is arranged in horizontal way. Tiling time. The patterns below are made up of this tile. See, it's made up of same type of tile, but it is painted in 2 different ways. First one, in this pattern, 3 colors have been used to make it look like steps. Same tiles are used, but 3 different colors are used to make it look like steps. On the second one, by using 2 colors, it becomes a different pattern of blue and yellow flowers. See, by using 2 colors, we will make it as a flower pattern, and using 3 colors, we can make it in the steps pattern. Treasure hunt. Frank and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, but she wants them to find out through a treasure hunt. She has written some instructions here. Can you help Juhi and Frank in finding their gift? Juhi and Frank's mummy had a surprise gift for both of them, and she had hid it somewhere and some clues are given below. By using that clues, they have to find out that surprise gift. Start from the tallest tree. Start from the tallest tree, go forward on the pathway. From the 6th tile, turn left. After moving a few steps again, you will find a plant on your right hand side. Color the dress of child playing closest to this plant. Start moving again from the plant. On the 4th tile, turn left again. On the way, you will find the corner of the 4th tile is broken. You will find a bat and ball lying on the ground. Don't pick them, just circle them. Move ahead and turn right. You will find a mango tree. A few mangoes can be seen on the tree. Color 11 mangoes on the tree. Also draw grass near the mango tree and start moving again on the pathway. When you go so straight, you will find a house. Behind that house, there is a bag. Open it and you will find something sweet in it. Can you tell what their mother has kept in the bag? So, by following these clues, come, let's find out what's in that bag. This is how we will reach at the bag by following the clues given above. So, with this we finish the chapter.
Thank you for watching this video. Share, like and subscribe.